Assalamualaikum and very good morning, everyone. I would like to introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Faizul binci Ibrahim. I am a student, Bachelor Medical Health Science in Open University Malaysia. For this semester, January 2025, for English for Oral Communication, OUMH 1303, the task is to talk about and present recorded informative speech on the topic countries. And I would like to jump into my subtopic Lost in Paradise, my adventures on Phuket Island, Vietnam. Hi, have you ever looked at the walls of maps and wonder what lies beyond the lines? The color, the name we call country. Hi everyone, I'm Muhammad Faizal binci Ibrahim. I am inviting you to zoom out of the map and zoom in on the magic that make countries more than patches of land. To some countries, it's simple, a flag, language, or a capital city. But to me, a country is a heartbeat. It tastes of spicy, like photos of Vietnam. It's the rhythm of samba echoing through the streets of the Brazil. It's the chill of the Arctic world winds in Iceland, and the warmth of smile in Thailand. Each country tell a story. A story is shaped by people, struggle, foods, laughter, and yes, even by the weather. Some countries teach us history, some teach us humility, and others they teach us how to dance in the rain. What's even more fascinating is how we connect to them. We don't have to born in a country to fall in love with it. Maybe you watch a K-drama, suddenly felt like a soul was calling your name. Faisal, Faisal. Maybe your dream is walking under the cherry blossom in Japan or sipping tea in a London cafe. Oh, Ajimoto wo mite korahu korega. Alright, just daydreaming, okay? So today, let's not just think of the country as a place on the globes. Alright, today I invite you to take a journey with me to a place enchanting. You will wonder if it belongs to the real world or fairy tale. Phuket Island, guys, is not just a destination, it's a paradise where every moment feels like magic. For 3 glorious days and 2 unforgettable nights, I was lost in paradise. I can't wait to share my adventure with you. This is exactly what I experienced during my 3 days, 2 night vacation on Phuket Island, Vietnam. Today, I will love to take you on a journey to this tropical paradise and share with you unforgettable moments that make this trip so special. Okay, for your information, my wife, the beloved one, and I using Air Asia flight AK-56. Even they provide reasonable rates in terms of price and yet still provide satisfactory journey. From the moment my plane touched down to the Phuket International Airport all the way from KLIA Dua, the first thing you feel is a soft, salty breeze that wraps you in its breast like a warm hug from nature herself. That's Pocock's a way of saying, "Welcome to paradise." It's not that way. Welcome to paradise. My adventure began at the dreamy South Beach. Picture the softest, whitest sand you ever see. So soft, they feel like clouds under the feet. The ocean glisters like a sapphire necklace under the sun, inviting me to take a dip in its calm, clear water, and trust me, resisting that call was impossible. Impossible. My next stop was the charming Ham Ning fishing village. It's the places frozen in time, where fishermen return from the sea with fresh catches and smell like a salt and adventure. A stroll along the wooden dock, soaking up the rustic beauty and the whisper of the story carried by the ocean breeze. The day ended with the kaleidoscopes of color at Din Chow Night Market. If you ever visit, you must try the freshly grilled seafood. It's so good. It will make you taste bud dance, coconut dessert, and sizzling squid were just a few of the culinary wonder that fill my heart and stomach with pure joy. The next morning, we are going to dive, discover, daydream. Day 2 was all about adventure. We are very excited, and let me tell you, Bukok delivered to us the excitement. I kicked things off with a snorkeling trip to An Thoi Archipelago. I repeat, Thai Archipelago. Imagine diving into a crystal clear underwater world surrounded by vibrant coral garden and curious tropical fish. It was like stepping into a living, breathing painting. If you ever dream of being a merman, this is your place. Phuket is the place. Later, I took a detour to the famous Phuket pepper farms. Phuket pepper is legendary, and the walking through the lush green field was a feast for the senses. The air was filled with the spicy aroma of peppercorns, and I couldn't resist taking home a little taste of this fragrant paradise. As the sun set, I found myself hiking through Phuket National Park, a UNESCO Biosphere Reserve. The towering tree and tranquil trail feel like they have been waiting for me for a centuries. Reaching the summit, I was rewarded with breathtaking view of the island, a picture-perfect panorama that left me speechless. That was so wonderful. Day 3. Goodbye, but never forgotten on my final day. I visit Starfish Beach, a hidden gems where crystal clear water meets sandy shore dotted with vibrant red starfish. That was so beautiful. I spent hours marveling at these beautiful creatures and soaking in the scene's white. I also had the pleasure of meeting the local. They are not so into English. They can comprehend English but can reply in fluent English. But it's okay, they're quite friendly. Who's genuinely warm and kindness make me feel right at home. As the sun dips below the horizon one last time, I reluctantly said goodbye to this island paradise. But you know what? I left with something even better than souvenir. Memories that will forever shine brighter than any sunset. Why you should visit Phuket? Why? It's not just a place, it's an experience. A feelings, the dreams come alive. Whether you are chasing adventure, seeking serenity, or indulgent in culinary delight, this island has it all. It's a treasure trove of unforgettable moments waiting for you to discover. So, if you're planning vacation and want a story worth telling, put up at the top of your list. Trust me, trust me, you won't regret. That's all from me. Thank you for listening and watching.